Hi guys, back to my channel and today I'm here with Manipuri, beautiful girl. She's from Manipuri and then actually whatever she asks in Manipuri, like I know some Manipuri, so I'll be answering the same way in Manipuri. So let's start it.
Hello.
Hello.
Tsarabo.
Chadri.
Kanjang thongge.
Kansoy tongge.
Kana thongge.
Ashana kansoy tongge.
Nang thong ba itamra?
Ai ki insang tongde. I ke washing clothes, mopping room. That's my job.
Dudi. Yum chaning bro.
Yung chani I ke yung missing tawni tawne. Tawe.
Mama papa uning bro.
Uni. Is that correct?
Do noi ichinaw kaya suge?
Karino? I ke hard Manipuri. I don't understand.
Noi family mi kaya suge?
I ke family. I ke ima, ipa. I ke brother. And then me, myself, we have a big families.
Okay.
I want to go to Manipur. I ke Manipur.
Chaning ni.
Chandi
Okay, chalan ni. Do sida job to si nungai bro.
I ke nungai, but I don't like the weather. The weather also yam sai weather yam sai. I ke weather yam no shige. I came here and then I made lots of Manipuri friends. Now I can speak Manipuri a bit, just not so good, but I'm trying. This is my teacher. My teacher. She's Miss Manipuri. Nangki family. How many family members do you have?
4.
4. Nangki yung chani bra.
Chaning ni.
I kisha chani. Nangki insan mushi.
Pame.
Nangki insan pame. Sanagi insan yam hawe. I ki yam mushi.
Nang Manipuri ni ba pamro?
Manipuri nupa. I ki Manipuri nupa yam pame. I ki right now I don't have boyfriend. I'm looking for a boyfriend, Manipuri boyfriend. So
Then
I'll be your neighbor.
I'll be Manipuri ni paga married toro.
I ki Manipuri contact to tani.
Manipuri gi nupa ka yengadi sida katik taw salo. What? Manipur gi famous oy ba mapam chan bro?
Aki Loktak chani.
Loktak.
Chutney.
Okay.
I saw in video and then I love that. That's why I want to go and visit that Loktak place. And I want to go there.
Do you chat se ko?
That's it.
Thang ji chat la se.
Kande.
Next year.
Next year. I'm good in eating. I eating nushi, working nushi day.